Yes, welcome to a new case study, and this time I'm gonna tell you exactly how we scaled Jeffrey from absolute zero with a brand from scratch to 300k in revenue with more than 50k in profit in the first month. And this is an extra special result because Jeffrey didn't schedule any calls, he didn't attend any group coachings because due to personal reasons he didn't want to. So we purely coached him through WhatsApp with our WhatsApp group chat where all the VE founders were involved in, and he was coached personally one-on-one by Fritz. He was only coached by WhatsApp messages and voice memos, so this is extra special, and that's why I'm extra proud of this result. In this video I'm gonna explain you exactly how we did this and which steps we took to go from absolute zero with a brand from scratch to 300k in revenue in the very first month. Let's go. So what we always do first is we set up a goal, and the goal was to build a profitable US brand from scratch and scale it fast with a clean store, strong creatives, the right team and a daily finance system towards consistent high volume days. To give you a bit more background information of Jeffrey was experienced in fashion dropshipping. He did some 5k days or something like that, but he was not like a very experienced ecom entrepreneur, especially not with branding. And he really noticed that there was a big gap, and that's also why he came to us, that there was a big gap between his current knowledge which he knew from fashion dropshipping and actually starting and scaling a profitable brand. He didn't know how to set up a creative output system, how to build an actual good performing team, and how to do the good research for a new brand. So these were the three things we were focusing on mainly with his business. And next to that, he found it very, very important that we were focusing on profits instead of revenue. So we did, and we do this with all students, of course. As you can see here, it's in Dutch, but by the end of November, he said that he made 45, almost 46k in profit, and the Saturday was not calculated in. So it was almost 50k profit in euros, so that's in dollars, way more than 50k profit, of course, in his first month from being live with a new brand, absolutely from scratch. And that's also the result we got from 0 to eventually 18 to 20k revenue days and 3 to 5k profit days within 6 weeks of launch, with team, daily finance reporting and a repeatable scaling system all in place. Let's go more in depth. What did we do to achieve these results? First, we started, of course, with the onboarding in the first week. We did the intake and we sent him all his personal sheets and his personal drive folder to access all the materials that he needs for this. And this is something every one-on-one students gets. Then we did the US needs research. So after the research given by our instructions with our whole strategy, he came up with 6+ niches and competitors. Then we helped him directly with the team setup via onlinejobs.ph. And we were focusing on customer service, lister and editor because these were tasks that he didn't want to do himself anymore because he had already ecom experience and he also had enough liquid to build a team from the get-go. This is also very important to mention. Jeffrey had more budget than average, and this is also why we were able to scale this fast. When you have, for example, 5k budget, it's still possible to start a brand with this strategy, but yeah, you have to be more patient. First, you need to build up the cash flow because scaling to 300k a month means 10k days consistently, means about 2 to 3k ad spend per day, and also cost of goods from around like 3k, let's say that for now, for an easy calculation. So that means that you need to have a lot of cash flow in check for doing these days. So if you have less cash flow, then it's normal that you first need to build up the cash flow to scale to those 10k days, 15k days, and eventually 20k days. Then in late October, we built the US store. It was fully built by now and we launched it. So we launched the whole strategy. We did store optimization when we got the first data in. We were focusing on urgency, UPS, sale framing, etc. We set up the creative testing strategy. So we brought the whole system in-house. So we made sure that he had a creative output system which was consistently pulling up creatives for his brand. This is very important to stay consistent and also to discover as soon as possible who is your actual customer, which angles are working, which hooks are working, which formats are working for your creative testing. And this is how you scale the fastest, because once you have multiple creatives working and you can iterate on that, that's where the real revenue is going to be made. So also, of course, the profit sheet and daily tracking live, very important. All our students need to send this daily in our WhatsApp group so we know exactly what they do on a daily basis, and we can also change the strategy upon that. Then on the 26th of October, he has his first sale. So that was quite quick after we launched, so quite quick after we had the first ads live. But then the first 1K day was already within 1 week, which is amazing. This is the moment where we got proof of concept, and this is the moment where we built further on it. Then early November, we implemented ROAS-based scaling rules. We were busy with the daily creative testing cadence. Next to that, we were building CS templates, refund chargeback flow, because like I said, we were focusing on profit, not just revenue. And then on the 6th of November, he had his first 3K day already. And that was also his new personal record. And we were also focusing on a higher AOV because in this niche, the cost of goods were quite high. Also, when you have chargeback and refunds, you also, of course, pay for that. But yeah, even though it's more important to have a high AOV because the more revenue you can get out of one customer, the bigger your margins get and the easier you can scale eventually. Then we scaled from 1K to 5K days quite fast, and I will show you these proofs of results after this timeline. Then in the mid of November, we were already on consistent 12 to 50K revenue days. So early November, we had our first 1K day, and mid of November, we were already on 12 to 15K consistent revenue days. We introduced the daily finance report routine, like I said before. This was not something we did before, but we implemented this in our whole coaching business from then. So also for Jeffrey, we were also checking more with the supplier. We did quality checks and we improved also the product quality. And also we came up with some new SKUs, which competitors didn't have. And this is also the moment where you really start building on the brand. We were busy with the cash flow management because even though we had more liquid, of course, when you scale this hard, you need to be very sharp on this because if you don't keep this in mind, you can literally kill your own momentum by that. We were focusing more on the branding because now we had, of course, the proof of concept. So this is the moment where we were going to be outstanding from the competitors to always be ahead of them. Also, we implemented the post-purchase flows, the whole email marketing setup. This was obviously, of course, before these days, but already here. And we were also setting up those pilot flows and focusing on good reviews. Because when you want to build a consistent brand, this is more important than you think. If you don't focus on this, trust me, people are always checking. You have competitors, they always check before ordering. Most fashion dropshippers think that's not an issue. Trust me, it is for a brand. If you have bad reviews, you will, of course, notice it in your performance. On the 17th of November, we had the 13.4K day, as I will show you later. Then late November, that was the peak for this period, and we had 18 to 20K revenue days with 3 to 5K profit days. We were just doubling the budget because the ROAS was so strong and we had so much margin by then by hiring the AOV that we were able to double the budgets. Also, we were expanding the collection to add more SKUs to eventually being able to sell more products to one customer. Also, improve the returning customer rate by that. And we also started negotiating with the supplier because we did volume now. So now we had the leverage to negotiate with the supplier and make sure we had better prices, so higher margins, so even more room to scale. Again, with the store improvements, we are always busy with the CRO in this whole trajectory. Very important because you can have as many traffic as you want, but if it doesn't convert, you will still make no profit, of course. And next to that, we were also slowly expanding other countries. More on this later. On the 22nd of November, we had the 20K day, and we end the month with $303K US dollars. That's also when Jeffrey was posting this in our Discord. First full month live since joining VE, and the results are truly remarkable for me. I never expected to achieve this kind of volume so quickly, and that's thanks to the right help. Big so to Fritz, my business partner who was coaching him. As you can see, 303K revenue, and the baseline was literally, the compare ad was literally on October. You don't see this in the screen, but it was October, and as you can see, he didn't do any revenue here. In the end of October, first ads live, as you can see, and from there we start climbing. So very nice to see. Then in early December, we still carried on with the 12 to 16K days in revenue. The ROAS recovery focus was there, and next to that we were again expanding the inventory, also expanding the SKUs, and we were busy with product improvements. This is not noted here, but next to that we were also launching in new countries such as the UK, and that went pretty well from the start already. More on this later. Now let's come up with some proof, because I can talk whatever I want, but we want to see proof, of course. As you can see here, this is the group chat we have with the full team, and on the 26th of October, he had his first sale. So it was a high risk order, but it doesn't matter. We checked it for him. Next to that, 31st of October, he was already on 1K US dollar days. And he says here in Dutch, on the 24th of October, he had his first ad live. So that's literally 7 days later, and he's already on 1K days within 1 week. Then on the 6th of November, he's saying here, hopefully I have a 2K day when I'm awake. So he was awake. And as you can see, because of the time difference in USA, he was awake here at 6 o'clock in the morning, and he was on a 3K day instead of a 2K day. So that's crazy. But even more crazy is that it was with 350 euros or dollars, I don't know, to be honest, in spent. So that means a ROAS of about 8 or 9 even. So that's a crazy result if you ask me. And then Fritz also said, now you can double the budget. Let's go. So this is the moment where it really took off. As you can see here, the day is only half over and we're already on 4.5K in revenue. So yeah, his record until then was 3,900 in revenue, and he's already breaking that record 2 weeks from being live with his new brand from scratch. And he's saying 5K day must be possible, because here he only spent it like 966 from the total of 1,440. So ROAS 4.5. Then on the 10th of November, 2 days later, as you can see, he already reached an 8.5K day. And on the 24th of November, so 2 weeks later, we were on 20K days with a very healthy profit margin, as you can see, which is almost 5K in euros, because here we're talking about euros, not dollars. So in dollars, it was even more revenue. And then what I said, we were also starting to implement, while this store was doing good also in December and just continued, we were starting to also launch in new countries. And as you can see, he launched here in the beginning of December in a new country in the UK, and he was already on 1K GBP, and in euros it's like this on the next day. So this was the 8, this was the 9, this was also about the 8. And as you can see, he has here a very healthy profit margin also for this new store with the same concept of 600 euros in profit. So as you can see, once you know how the concept works and once you know how the right targeting works, how the branding works, you're just able to duplicate it to other countries if you want to, and just launch it there as well. And that's the power of branding. That's the power of knowing who your target audience is and how this game works. So yeah, he can just duplicate this strategy to other countries, even for other brands now, and he can just run this on his own, just by the information and the strategies and the frameworks we implement for him and teach him, which is, I think, very nice knowledge for the long term as well. Also, Jeffrey left a review on Trustpilot for us. Good community to really understand e-commerce. VE is definitely recommended. Even if you have experience, you will be able to scale faster and better and optimize everything. Definitely worth it, because that is what Jeffrey is himself. He came to us with already ecom experience. Like I said, his record day was 3,900 in one day, which is pretty good, but of course not what we did with him, because with us he had it in profit in a day instead of in revenue, and that's the difference. And all of that is because we teach him a different framework than fashion dropshipping. We teach him to go sub-niche branded, to eventually make it will look like a brand, not only from the outside and in the marketing, but also the whole ecosystem within the brand, the team building, which is very important, to hire the right team players, and the creative output system, which is super important to be consistent for the long term and be ahead of your competition. So this was the case study of Jeffrey. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram, glenn.nieuwenhuis. And if you're looking for coaching, and if you also want to learn and possibly reach the same results as Jeffrey did with us, of course, it's also due to his own input. You need to work very hard. He asked a lot of questions in WhatsApp, but if you're really hungry and really want to make it work, we are there to help you. So send me a DM with VE on Instagram if you're looking for guidance, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.